Colonoscopy is a very good procedure. Since its inception more than 30 years ago, it has been very helpful in examination of the colon and in various therapeutic procedures. However, the technology has not moved forward recently. And although it serves its purpose very well at the present time, there's clearly a need to move the technology forward. And now there are ways to do that.
Sightline introduces ColonoSight, a breakthrough in the field of colonoscopy. Colon cancer is the #2 killer among all forms of cancer in the USA. 1 million new cases are diagnosed worldwide each year. Early detection and treatment can save lives. In 2002, 4.5 million screening and therapeutic procedures were performed in the USA alone, and these numbers are rising.
Some of the polyps are precancerous lesions, which means with time these polyps will become the cancer in the colon. It is estimated that more than 90% of colon cancers develop from polyps. So if you move the polyps, there will be no cancer.
The most accepted screening procedure is colonoscopy, performed using a flexible tube with a video camera at the tip. With standard colonoscopes, a significant push from behind is needed in order to advance the scope through and navigate the twisted length of the colon. The procedure takes time, it's painful, and risky.
The problem is that the colon has turns and twists, and getting a semi-stiff instrument through curves and turns and loops takes time and also carries some risks. And this takes time to learn, and it depends on the technical ability of the doctor who is learning how to do it, how quickly they master it. So if we had a technology where, like a train, the tip of the instrument at least partially pulled itself forward instead of us having to push it from the back, that will be a major advance. It will facilitate the procedure, makes it easier to learn for the newcomer, but it will also make it easier for the person who is well trained in doing a colonoscopy.
ColonoSight is a non-fiber optic scope with a unique patented air-pressured front-wheel drive called Intrapol power-assisted disposable technology. It allows the doctor to go deep inside the colon with greater speed and ease. It looks like traditional colonoscopy, the patient on the examining table, the procedure room, but there's a revolution going on inside. After ColonoSight is inserted, the physician navigates through the curves of the colon with impressive ease. Air-assisted force created at the tip of the scope enhances forward movement. The procedure is more secure because the scope adapts to the colon's form, thus reducing patient discomfort. ColonoSight provides a stable working platform. Once aligned with the target polyp, the ColonoSight will not move. Instead of fiber optics and an external light source, the ColonoSight uses an integrated white LED light source. This reduces the cost of the device and maintenance expenses significantly. Standard colonoscopy carries the risk of cross-contamination. Hospitals and clinics must follow a strict reprocessing procedure using special expensive equipment. To overcome device downtime, several colonoscopes must be used in rotation. With ColonoSight, there's no need to disinfect, so only one scope is required, and initial capital expenses are low. ColonoSight's unique disposable sleeve covers the length of the tube while it's inside the colon. All the working channels within the tube are also disposable. Each patient is examined using a fresh disposable kit. Consider the advantages of ColonoSight. Unique Intrapol driving technology makes it faster and easier to maneuver for increased patient comfort and safety. Disposable elements enable a totally clean procedure and eliminate the need for cleaning between procedures. They also eliminate the need for expensive reprocessing equipment and extra scopes. ColonoSight uses an integrated LED light source instead of fiber optics, reducing the purchase price and maintenance costs of the scope. And one more advantage: ColonoSight increases physician revenues.
Even physicians who are well trained and very capable in doing a colonoscopy can take advantage of the newer technologies simply because it makes it easier, it makes it more efficient, it makes it less costly. So we need to constantly look for ways to make the procedure better, even for those who already have mastered the technique.
Sightline is focused on taking gastroenterology to new levels of precision and ease. Working together with medical professionals and driven by forward-looking management, Sightline's R&D teams are currently developing new products based on the company's proprietary technology. FDA-approved ColonoSight, revolutionizing the field of colonoscopy.